Welcome to our third lesson on using presentations. In this lesson, we're going to get to know the workspace in both Office 2010 as well as OpenOffice. Let's start with PowerPoint 2010. I've opened up a presentation and let's just have a look at the workspace. Right at the top of the screen, you'll have your title bar, and that will show the name of the current document that you have open. Then to the left-hand side, you've got your File tab, where you can choose commands such as saving or opening a presentation. Above the File tab, you have what we call the Quick Access toolbar, right over here. And this can be customized, and you can add in commands here that you use quite often. Then we have our ribbon area. The ribbon area consists of the tabs like Home, Insert, Design and Transitions, as well as all the options that go with that particular tab. Each tab consists of different groupings. So here we've got the clipboard group. Next to it we've got the slides group. And next to that we have the section where we can make changes to the font in our PowerPoint presentation. To the left-hand side, we've got a list of all the slides that we have in our current presentation. We also have a second tab called Outline, and this will only show all the text that is available per slide. On the main part of our screen, you'll have the current slide that you are working on, and at the bottom of the screen, I'll make this slightly bigger so you can see it, you've got a notes section where you could add presenter notes. And this is very useful if you are going to present and you have the option of using a dual output, because then on your screen or on your laptop screen, you could actually see your own notes while projecting your presentation on screen. So that should make your presentation a little bit easier to do. Let's go back to our screen. I'm just going to add a note here. Right. Okay, then right at the bottom of the screen, you've got your status bar, which will tell you which slide number you're on, like slide 1 of 6, for instance. To insert a new slide into your presentation, select the Home tab and then select New Slide. If you click on the drop-down, you'll also be able to select the layout for that particular slide. So I'm going to select Title and Content, and that will insert a new slide after the one that was highlighted previously. If I don't want a slide anymore, I can just select the slide and then press Delete on the keyboard. There are various layouts that you could apply to your slides. You'll find that on your Home tab, and over here it says Layout. So you could choose to just have the title slide, title and content. Something that's used quite often is the comparison slide, where you could actually compare information with each other on one slide. Right. To apply a design theme, select Design, and then just select the desired theme from the options available. We're now going to move over to OpenOffice Impress. So let's close the current presentation. I'm not going to save my changes now. Right, here we are in OpenOffice Impress. The first thing that you'll notice here is that we don't have a ribbon. We still have the title bar right at the top, but then we've got something called the menu bar that consists of words like File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, etc. Just below that, you'll have your toolbars. And these toolbars will have various commands that you can use in the software. So let's look at the main part of our screen, and let's look at the different tabs that are available to us. In the main part of the screen, we've got tabs up here, one called Normal, then the Outline view that will only show all the text, and then we have a separate Notes page. So that's different to Microsoft Office. Instead of having the Notes page on your slideshow normal view, you now have a separate Notes tab where you can go and add your notes. those are the main differences between OpenOffice and Office 2010. I trust that you're now more familiar with the Workspace and that you're ready to learn more skills on how to create presentations.